Close your eyes for a second. If these sounds bring back memories, you probably grew up before smartphones. Let's see how many you recognize. Number 10. That loud bring, bring, when it rang, everyone in the house heard it, and anyone could answer. Number 9. Click, clap, ding. Every letter was pressed by hand, and every line ended with a satisfying bell. Number 8. Before playlist, there was the sound of a cassette spinning backward. Sometimes it even got tangled, and a pencil became your best repair tool. Number 7. That chunky clunk as the tape slid out. Movie night was over. Don't forget to rewind it before returning it. Number 6. A strange mix of beeps, whistle, and static. That sound meant the internet was connecting, and nobody could use the phone until it finished. Number 5. One click, one photo. No filters, no previews. Just hope the picture turned out. Number 4. Cha-ching! The drawer popped open with every sale. It's a sound many people still remember from local shops. Number 3. The unmistakable click. One tiny sound that became instantly recognizable around the world. Number 2. The deep rumble of a powerful engine. For many people, that sound meant freedom and trips and weekends in the garage. Number 1. Late at night, the TV station stopped broadcasting. The screen faded to static, and that buzzing sound meant it was finally time for bed. Some sounds disappears with time, but the memories they bring never do. How many did you recognize? Which one takes you back the most? Tell us in the comments and subscribe.